Assalamualaikum. For our project A4CS1435B, I would like to introduce our system, which is Ezdoorgift system. Here our group members, which are Shazarina Shahar, Nur Syafiqah Ahmad Rozi, Nur Anissa Ahmad, and also Masniyati Ahmad Saufi.
This is our organizational chart. Shazarina binti Shahar as project manager, Masniyati binti Ahmad Saufi as web designer, Nur Anissa binti Ahmad as programmer, Nur Syafiqah binti Ahmad Rozi as system analyst.
Next, our objective to create this system are: first, to help customer easily find the souvenir. Second, for staff to easily create or develop our online stock inventory. And the third one, to create an organized record trading system.
This is our entity relationship diagram. Our ERD has 4 entities, which is staff, item, customer, and also bridge entity, which is sales. For the staff table, it has staff ID, staff name, staff phone, and staff password. The primary key for staff table is staff ID. Next, for the item entity, it has item code, which is the primary key, item name, item card, item price, item quantity, item description, and item image. The relationship between staff and item is one to many. Each staff can manage one and many items, and each item will be managed by one and only staff. For the customer table, they have customer ID, customer name, customer phone, customer address, and customer password. The primary key for the customer entity is customer ID. For the table of each entity, which is sales table, they have sales ID, customer ID, item code, sales name, sales address, sales phone, sales item, sales price, sales quantity, and sales total. The primary key is sales ID, customer ID, and item code. Customer ID and item code also the foreign key. The relationship between customer and sales is each customer can generate one and many sales, while each sale will be generated by one and only customer. For the relationship between item and sales, each item make one and many sales. Each sales are made by one and only item.
For context diagram, customer have to create an account and it will save in the system. After that, the system will provide customer detail for customer. The system will show product list. Then the information will be in the system. The customer buy the souvenir and the product will be added into the cart. After the customer checkout, the system will generate customer receipt. Next, staff will receive customer list from the system. Besides, the system will send customer order to the staff to proceed. Staff can update the product details in the system. Then the system will generate sales report to the staff.
For update product details process, staff will send product details into update product detail process and it will send into product data store. Okay, for checklist of customer process, customer data store will send list of customer into checklist of customers process and it will send to staff. For check customer order process, sales data store will send customer order into check customer order process and it will send to staff. For generate sales report process, sales data store will send sales report into generate sales report process and it will send to staff. For checklist of product data store will send list of product into checklist of product process and it will send to customer. For login customer account process, customer will send customer account into login customer account process and it will send to customer data store. For generate customer details, customer will send customer details into generate customer detail process and it will send to customer data store. For select product process, customer will add to cart into select product process and it will send into sales data store. For update checkout, customer will check out and into update checkout process and it will send into sales data store. For generate customer receipt, sales data store will send customer receipt into generate customer receipt and it will send to customer.
I would like to introduce our Ezdoorgift website. This is our main page. Home, Help Center, About, Shop, Login for admin and user, and Register. For new customer, they have to register first and they have to fill in the registration form. And you have been registered into the website. After register, the system will direct you to the login user and fill in the username and password with the same username and password from the registration form. After login, it will direct you to the user homepage. To shop our product, just click on shop and it will display all the product and the product details. For example, if you want to buy this, just click add to cart and see this is the details. The price is 80 ringgit, the quantity is 21 and add to cart. And it will display the product, price, quantity and total amount. If you want to delete the item, just click delete. And if you want to continue shopping, just click shopping and add another item. So it will display the product, price, quantity 2 and the total amount is 160. And then click checkout and fill in the details and click checkout. And your order has been placed and click OK. And for option, it has two user. If you click on user, they will generate your order receipt, which is your order number is 42 and this is the price, the quantity is 2 and the total amount 160. And the second option is to log out. Click the log out and you will be direct to the login user page. In the login bar, there are two options, admin and user. For admin, click on admin and enter their username and password. This is admin homepage. By clicking home, it will direct to the same page, which is it shows about us and the report. And for product, to insert new product, the admin has to fill all the details. Choose File to insert the image. And insert record. The item will be displayed based on the item code alphabet, which is D08. This is the product name, the category, the price, quantity, and description. To update the item, click Update and change, for example, the price to 18 ringgit and click Update Record. To delete any item, just click Delete. And the item is now deleted from the list of the product. Click the order, and this is the order report from the customer who buy our product. And click customer. This is the customer that has registered to our website. Click home and click report. This is report sale of the month. The total order is 8. The total customer is 11. Click back and log out. To help center page, so you can click here and it will direct you to the user manual page, and it has 3 categories for guest, user, and admin. From our previous purchase, I will show you that the quantity from the purchase has decreased from 21 to 19.